Let's get AI to analyze this. Okay, why did this happen? So I'm going to ask this AI. I'm going to say, can you analyze the most recent back test and tell me why it lost money? I would have expected it to have gone up a bit. And let's actually check. How's the NASDAQ doing? 'Cause that's what it's actually trading against. Let's go QQQ. How did the NASDAQ do over the past year? Yeah, because NASDAQ is up 17% because the QQQ was up 17% over the same time period. And we own the TQQQ. So I would have expected to make some money. However, maybe the put options were too much of a drag. I'm thinking, maybe we should use less of the account in put options, or maybe we should, buy further out of the money or something like that, right? We could also, would a put spread have been better, right? We could ask a few questions around that. Okay, so let's see what this analysis comes back as. So I would have expected this to actually do pretty well. This thing owned TQQQ. So we can actually take a look at what happened here. We have a lot of analysis that we could do. So here is the TQQQ. Here's all the trades that happen. Well, you can see this thing is trading quite a bit. It was buying and selling TQQQ quite often, which doesn't seem right to me. Okay, why was it buying and selling TQQQ so often? Okay, we can get the AI to analyze that. Here it's buying, put options. Here it bought the put option, right? It bought it right around the bottom. Here it bought the put option, and then here it's just trading TQQQ back and forth, right? Maybe it's just trading TQQQ too often. This doesn't seem right. We'll have this AI analyze this thing, okay, and then I could also take a look at some of the other stuff here. We could see basically our trades and our tear sheet. Here's our tear sheet. This is what it looked like. The S&P dropped. We dropped along with it. It came back up again. We didn't come up as fast. And then more recently, things dropped and we got hit hard near the end. Look at that. This would have lost a lot of money over the past week or two, which makes sense. But it makes me wonder why our put options are not helping us out. Why are we not getting that boost from our put options? Because I would have expected that to happen here. Okay, here's what the AI said. Based on the backtesting results and the strategy logic, here's the analysis of why the strategy lost money despite the market rally. Total return -5, max drawdown -23, Sharpe ratio -4. So what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments. So I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.